Hey, now we can leave the TV on for her. She can watch it.
She can stand up and watch it. So I can just stand up and watch TV and everything, Daddy. Daddy told me to send him some video.
Talk me out.
Say, da, 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 da.
Yay! Clap for Daddy, clap. Yay!
Yeah, say da, da, da. Say da, da. Emily-Ann.
I mean, she's on her toes, so
Emily-Ann.
we'll have to drop it again soon.
Can you say da, da, da? Oh, am I standing in the way of the TV? I'm sorry. I wasn't trying to block your view. Let's see, what am I doing here? Okay, here we go. Oh, boo-boo! Are we watching TV? And the girls, there's Maggie with her ball. And there's Lily that got in trouble earlier for chasing Bert under the bed.